Hello all. In the last video, we have discussed how to insert an element at the start and how to delete an element at the start of a linked list. Now, in this video, we are going to see how to delete an element at the end of a linked list. Let's get started. Now, let me take a linked list. I'll take a linked list 10, 20, 30. And this will point to the null, and this is my head. Now, deleting an element at the end means deleting this last element. So let let's see how will the state of linked list will be if I delete the last node. How will it be? It will be 10, 20, right? And this will point to null if we say that last element is deleted, right? Now, yeah, my head will point to this, obviously. Yeah. So now let's see how can we reach this state from this state, from this to from this. We have deleted an element, right? That is at the end of a linked list. Let's see. So for deleting that, what we can do is, one way is we can simply go to the last second element. Last second element. This is first, this is second, this is third. I'll go to the last second element and have to make the next of the last second element as null, right? It means I have to cut this connection and I have to make this point to null. Then this node will be deleted from our linked list. This is the approach. This is how we delete the last node. Now, in order to delete, we need to reach till this last second node, right? We already know the logic to reach the last node. That is, if current dot next is not equal to null, we'll use that condition and keep traversing. But now we need to reach to the last second node, right? Now let's see how can we reach there. I'll quickly take a list. Done. Now in order to delete last element, that is 30, delete it, I have to reach here and make this element point to null, right? So how can I do that? I'll say this is head, right? Then what this will be? It will be head dot next, right? Head dot next. This is head. This will be head dot next, right? So I have to traverse till last second element. So what I'll do is I'll just write a condition. So I'll take a loop. Let's write the condition later on. I'll take a loop. So what I'll do, I'll keep on traversing. So to traverse, I'll simply make my current pointer. So always we'll start our current from the head, right? As we discussed in the last videos. I'll start from head, and what I'll do in order to traverse, I'll say my current equal to current dot next. It means my pointer moves to the next node and next node and next node. Now we need to decide the condition. So our goal is to reach the last second element. If we reach the last second element, then we are almost done the problem. We need to just make that last second element point to null. That's it. It'll cut this connection, right? So what should be the condition here in the while loop? Generally, for the last element, we'll do current dot next not equal to null, right? But now here I need to reach this point. At this point, let's say my current is here. My current is here. If it is the last node, my current dot, sorry, if it is the last second node, my current dot next means this one dot next will be null, right? Will be null, right? If current is at the last second element, current dot next means last element, that is 30. Dot next means it is null, right? So if current dot next is null, then we can say that we have reached the last second element. We have reached the last second element. So my loop's condition will be current dot next not equal to null. We will keep on traversing until we reach the last second node, that is current dot next is not equal to null. We'll traverse at any point in time. If current dot next is null, then we can say that we have just reached our last second node. Then what we have to do? I have to make, now my current is at the last second node, right? What I have to do to cut this connection? Just current dot next equal to null. Let's say current dot next equal to null. Done. We are done. We have just deleted the last element, right? Now there are some conditions to check. We already know one condition, that is when the linked list is empty, that is when head is pointing to null, there is nothing in the linked list, then we just say that linked list is empty and we do nothing. And let's say we only have, considering this logic, we only have one element in our linked list, one element in our linked list, and now I want to delete my last element. So there is only one element, both my last element and first element are the same, right? So to delete it, what I can do is I'll simply say head equal to null. That's it. Done, right? We just deleted that one element. So first condition is we need to check whether the linked list is empty or not. Then we need to check whether there is only one element. After that, we'll go for this while loop. We'll traverse till the last second node and make that point to the null. Then we'll lose the last element. Now let's see the code for this. Okay, I'll write the function public void delete at end. Done. So now first condition is I'll check whether head is null, that is my list is empty. If my list is empty, I'll do nothing. I'll just say list is empty. I'll return. Okay. Now one more condition is there is only one node in my list. Only one node. If there is only one node, will not have current dot next, right? So if there is only one node, I'll just delete that one node. How to delete? I'll simply make my head equal to null. That's it. We've deleted that leftover one element. Now, if these two conditions are failed, then we have more than one element in our linked list. In that case, I need to take a temporary pointer. I'll take a current pointer. I'll take a while loop. Now I will traverse my current is current dot next until I reach my last second node. So how can I know that? If current dot next not equal to null, I'll keep traversing. At any point, if it is equal to null, that is current dot next is null, then we say that we have reached our last second element. So current dot next equal to null. This means here we make the last second element point to null. Done. It means we just lost our last element, or we have deleted the last element. Now let's try to run this. Okay, so I have added three elements. Let's run this. I have three elements in the list. Now I'll try to delete from this end. So how can I do that? Delete at end. So we are going to delete 30. Again, I'll try to display. Now let's see. So if you see, initially it was 10, 20 and 30. We have deleted the last element, that is 30, and this is a state of our list. Now let's say we don't have anything. I've not inserted anything. I'm trying to delete. It says list is empty. Now let's check one more condition, that is we only have one element. Right? Now it should display one, then delete that, and it should say list is empty. Let's see. It says first we have inserted, we have displayed that 10 pointing to null, only one element, then delete at end. Once deleted, again I've tried to display. It says no data, the linked list is empty. Done. That's how we delete a node at the end of a linked list. That's it for this video, and next videos we'll be discussing few more problems related to linked list. If you like this video, hit the like button and consider subscribing to channel. Thank you.